My grandma showed me a trick to make my son's shoes last longer. It has made my life so much easier. We all know how quickly kids' feet grow. You might pull out your child's shoes from the closet one day, only to find that they're too tight. This simple hack can stretch shoes by up to one size. All you need are two things: a Ziploc bag and water. First, fill the Ziploc bag with water and seal it tightly to prevent any leaks. Then, place the bag inside the shoe. Now, all you need to do is put the shoes in the freezer and leave them overnight. As the water freezes, it will expand and stretch the shoes from the inside. The next day, remove the bags and let the shoes dry. I guarantee the shoes will fit better. This trick also works for new shoes that might be causing blisters. However, if your child walks unevenly, this hack won't help, and you'll need to visit a shoe store to find a better fit. Don't pack your shoes like that if you don't have shoe bags or anything else to wrap them in. Take them out. There's a zipper in the lining of the suitcase. Unzip it and put the shoes in there. The lining material will protect your clothes from getting dirty. Zip it up and now start packing the clothes you need to take, and that's it. Since I started using this trick, I no longer throw away dirty or old shoes. Stains, dirt, dust, and unpleasant odors disappear quickly. You can also rescue sports shoes, Crocs, or even other soiled items using this method. All you need are these small balls. Since I learned how to make them, my sneakers, Crocs, and even socks are always clean. To make these balls, you need 2 small cups of baking soda. Add 2 tablespoons of any dishwashing liquid and 1 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide. Mix all the ingredients into a uniform paste. You can now start shaping this paste. It's best to make smaller balls from it. I usually use similar ones more often. One such ball is enough to remove stains and dirt from a particular item. You can transfer them to a jar for storage. 1 screw-top jar is enough. To clean sneakers, take a bowl of warm water. Put the shoes in it. Now take 1 ball, crumble it in your fingers, and start cleaning the shoes. You can clean the soles directly with it. You can also dissolve it in water and clean the sneakers with a brush. A few minutes are enough to remove dirt. Baking soda and hydrogen peroxide work well on many stains, and the dishwashing liquid enhances their effectiveness. You can clean Crocs in the same way. The dirt disappears quickly, and there are no more stains. Then, just rinse the footwear well, and you're done. You can use these cleaning balls for shoes, socks, clothes, and even other items that need cleaning. This method will turn ordinary flip-flops into something special. Plain white flip-flops won't stand out on their own. With a few hair ties, you'll give them a completely new look. Choose your favorite colors. A mix of shades works great to add personality and style. Carefully wrap the hair ties around the straps, threading each one under the previous. Just like in the video. Do this neatly until both straps are completely covered in colorful ties. But that's not all. Now, starting at one end of the strap, thread 1 hair tie through the next. This is the key move that makes everything hold firmly together. At the end, tuck the last hair tie under the strap and pull it through an opening in the material. The result is amazing. Your flip-flops will turn into a stylish, eye-catching accessory. It's a perfect way to liven up kids' shoes, too. Add a touch of fun to your summer footwear. Pour salt into your shoes. More and more people are doing this for one very important reason. Let me explain why it's worth trying. Take the shoes you wear most often. Pour 1 tablespoon of salt into each shoe. Salt has natural hygroscopic properties. Shake the shoe a little to distribute the salt evenly inside. Leave the prepared shoes overnight. This part is very important. The salt needs time to work, but that's not all. The next day, thoroughly vacuum or shake out the salt from inside the shoes. Now, here's why this method matters. Salt absorbs moisture, which creates an environment for bacteria to grow. That's the main source of unpleasant odors. By adding salt, you remove the problem. It's a simple, cheap, and effective way to keep your shoes fresh. Add it to your wash, and even the most delicate shoes will come out bright white like new. You just need to wash them differently than usual. You don't have to scrub sneakers or other sports shoes by hand, which is tiring and time-consuming. You can wash even a single pair in the machine, and it will handle them well, even without a special shoe cycle. Choose a delicate fabric program, set a low temperature of about 100 Fahrenheit, and use a low spin speed. To keep the shoes from moving around the drum and rubbing against each other, add a thick terry towel to the wash. You can even use 2 towels. They protect the shoes during washing and spinning and help them clean more effectively. Your shoes will come out looking bright, fresh, and perfectly clean. My mother-in-law repeats this ritual every Sunday. She closes her hand around exactly 7 cloves and taps them on the floor 7 times. Then she puts the cloves inside her shoes. People once believed this helped you step into the new week with good energy, luck, and a positive mindset. I will reveal the secrets of perfectly maintained shoes, just like from the store, that you definitely didn't know about. Put a bay leaf in your shoes. It's a simple trick with 2 great uses. The bay leaf absorbs sweat, neutralizes unpleasant odors, and repels insects. Just place 1 in each shoe overnight. Additionally, it's said that keeping a bay leaf in your shoes attracts good energy and luck. Throw these balls into your shoes, and they will be like new. Mix baking soda, dish soap, and hydrogen peroxide. Form the paste into smaller balls and let them dry. To clean your sneakers, place them in warm water, add a ball, and rub the stains. After a few minutes, scrub with a brush. Here's a trick that will let you dance all night in new or uncomfortable high heels, even if you bought them right before the party. Put freezer bags in your shoes, fill them with warm water, not boiling, and leave them for 10 minutes. The material will stretch, the shoes won't pinch anymore, and you'll be able to enjoy the evening pain-free. Add this to your laundry, and your shoes will be snow white. To safely wash sneakers in the washing machine, choose a delicate fabric program, set the temperature to a maximum of 40 degrees, and use a low spin speed. The key trick? Throw a thick terry towel into the wash. It will prevent the shoes from banging against the drum and ensure perfect cleaning. This way, your shoes will be cleaner than ever. Your shoes don't smell the best? Here's an effective trick. Spray the inside of your shoes with alcohol or disinfectant to kill bacteria. Remove the insoles, spray them, sprinkle with baking soda, and rub it in. After a few minutes, rinse and dry them. On hot days, your shoes don't smell ideal. I have a solution for that. Discover an effective trick for sweaty shoes that really works. Just a few simple steps are enough to restore freshness to your shoes. The first step is to prepare a spray bottle. Pour alcohol or disinfectant into it, which works great for eliminating the bacteria and fungi responsible for the unpleasant odor. Most of us have such a liquid in our purse or backpack. Next, prepare the shoes you want to freshen up. First, remove the insoles from them. Then thoroughly spray the inside of the shoes and leave it for a few minutes so the liquid can penetrate the material. Next, take care of the insoles. Spray them with the liquid as well, and then sprinkle them with baking soda. Rub the baking soda thoroughly into the insoles and leave it for a few minutes. This product not only kills bacteria, but also leaves a pleasant, fresh scent. Then rinse the insoles in water and leave them in the sun to dry. After the shoes have dried, the unpleasant odor will be gone. Regular use of this method will help keep your shoes in perfect condition. I hope this method will be helpful to you.